16 times, that's how many times Nathaniel Gotham allegedly stabbed his wife, telling authorities he just wanted to make her stop talking, a chilling admission that has left investigators and the public reeling. This horrific crime has raised questions about the warning signs that may have been missed and the devastating consequences of domestic violence. The case against Gotham is still unfolding, but it's a stark reminder of the dangers that can lurk in the most intimate relationships. As disturbing as this case is, it's just one of the many shocking stories making headlines today. Speaking of which, let's switch gears to the Celeste Rivas murder case, where a preliminary date has been set for defendant D4VD, but a major twist has thrown the entire trial into jeopardy. Leaks from the D4VD morgue, including potentially sensitive information, have raised concerns about the integrity of the investigation and whether justice can still be served. Nancy Grace has been following this case closely, and her latest updates suggest that the prosecution's efforts may be hindered by these leaks, potentially jeopardizing the entire case. Moving on to some other notable cases, a judge has slammed Trump's lawyers for cynically using the courts, calling their lawsuit against Hillary Clinton risible and plainly brought for an improper purpose. This ruling has significant implications for how the courts view frivolous lawsuits and the potential consequences for those who abuse the system. It's a major blow to Trump's legal team, and it will be interesting to see how they respond to this setback. In other news, a missing man has been found dead in a shallow grave in Florida, and police are now on the hunt for his alleged killer, who is using multiple aliases to evade capture. This case highlights the challenges law enforcement faces in tracking down suspects who are determined to stay one step ahead of the law. The fact that the suspect has had help evading cops raises even more questions about the extent of their network and the resources at their disposal. Lastly, a contentious defamation case in North Carolina has been resolved, with a clerk and judge reaching a settlement. This case had sparked a heated investigation into alleged ex parte communications, but it seems that the parties involved have managed to put their differences aside. It's a reminder that even in the most contentious cases, resolution is always possible. And that's all for today, but tune in tomorrow when we'll be diving into the shocking story of a former cop who's been accused of moonlighting as a hitman, and the trail of bodies that has left investigators stunned.